we guide you through how to use Google Meet Tracker. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser, go to the Google Meet Tracker website or extension page, then sign in using your Google account. After logging in, connect it to your Google Meet by allowing the required permissions so the tracker can access your meetings and attendance data. Next, create a join meeting inside Google Meet as usual, and you will notice the tracker automatically monitoring participants, attendance time, and meeting activity in real time. To check reports, open the dashboard and select the specific meeting you want to review. Here, you can see participants' name, join and leave times, total attendance duration, and downloadable reports for better monitoring. You can also customize settings like automatic tracking, notifications, and attendance export options depending on your needs. If you are managing online classes, team meeting, or remote work sessions, these tools help you save time and organize attendance more efficiently.